So what is TikTok and how do you use it? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. It's coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, helping you master the art of online video production. And today we're talking all about the app TikTok. Now, TikTok launched in 2016, and in 2018 the application gained popularity and became the most downloaded app in the USA.
Hey, look before you cross the street!
TikTok is one of the most popular social media apps on the planet, allowing users to upload 15-second videos that they can share with the world. Trends include lip syncing to an archive of popular songs, dancing, and collaborations, allowing the user to duet with someone by replying to their video. So look, how does it work? Well, it's really simple. You just download the app like what you would any other platform and then create an account. You'll have to come up with some kind of username, no different to Facebook, Instagram, or anything like that. Now, once you're logged in, you can instantly start watching everybody's videos, and there are so many videos on TikTok. This is one of the most random apps I've ever been on. You open up the app on your phone and then it will take you to a 15-second video, and that 15-second video will just loop. If you swipe up, it will take you to the next one, so on and so on and so on. And it's a bit of a lotto when it comes to what you'll land on when you swipe up, because it really could be anything. Now, the more time you spend on the app, the more you will tap into the algorithm, so it will start to show you videos that are related to stuff that you've liked and engaged with. But apart from that, it really is just a smorgasbord of weird, creative, amazing, bizarre videos I've ever come across. Okay, now let's talk trends. So look, there are definitely trends on TikTok, and just to name a few, there is the Adele trend.
Never mind, I'll find you.
There's another one where you use a finger gun. Now, lip syncing is a huge part of TikTok, okay? It's what a lot of people use it for, whether that's lip syncing to a song or lip syncing to a quote from a film. And there are also some really creative people on there. There are artists, there are people that dance. It's just a really random app full of really random things. So as a consumer, there's plenty of content for you to sit there and watch. But as a creator, what can we do? What kind of videos can we upload to TikTok? Now, they make it incredibly easy to shoot, edit, and upload a video all within that app. There's a huge archive of music to choose from, and there are different video effects you can add to your footage. But what's it like to use this app as a video creator? Well, I thought I'd find out. Now, once I set up an account, I thought I'd upload my first video. Now, I put no thought into this, just to be really clear. I literally uploaded the first video that I found on my phone.
Definitely shouldn't be here! This is in breach of all health and safety regulations!
And within a week, that video had over 50,000 views, which was just insane to me. I mean, just as an example, let's compare TikTok to YouTube, okay? I upload a 15-second video on my phone and it gets 50,000 views. Look at the views on this video as an experiment, okay? I bet it's nowhere near 50,000 views, right? Getting that amount of views is actually really difficult. I mean, I've set up a light, I've set up a camera on a tripod, I've got a microphone, I'm gonna have to edit this footage and upload it. But with TikTok, I upload a video 15 seconds long, which is just hanging around on my phone, and I get 50,000 views? So with the first video getting so many views, I thought I'd experiment and upload some more. So in the last week, I've uploaded 6 videos, and as you can see, they've had varying degrees of success. So my first video, as I mentioned, did pretty well. It got 59,000 views. I then uploaded 2 more videos that you would have seen on this channel before. I used these as Facebook profile videos. They didn't do very well. One only got 567 views, the other one got 147. I then uploaded another video that also did terribly, 128 views. I then uploaded another one that did pretty well, that got over 8,000 views, but then I created a video specifically for TikTok. The rest of these videos were just videos that I had sat on my phone, and that video I used one of the trending hashtags. It was the finger gun, and that got over 23,000 views. By being on TikTok for just 1 week, I managed to get over 93,000 views, which is just mental. So look, I've got to say, I'm really impressed with TikTok. I guess to sum it up, you could say minimal effort, maximum results. If you're looking to get eyes on your content and to grow a following quickly, then honestly, TikTok could be one of the easiest and quickest ways to do that. So look, I hope this video has helped. If it has, let me know by hitting the old thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more content just like this, you can subscribe by clicking the icon below. If you'd like to watch another video, you can do that by clicking over there. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
TikTok may or may not, but it's at enough scale and it's young enough to do to Instagram what Instagram did to Facebook.